Welcome to Titus Will Toyota. We are family owned and operated and have been taking care of our customers since 1938. This is a 2005 Toyota Camry. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. All of the following features are included: a sunroof, heated seats, alloy wheels, a CD player, wood trim interior accents, a traction control system, cruise control, steering wheel controls, a home link feature, and this vehicle has fewer than 42,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself. Titus Will is your #1 choice in all your vehicle needs, from sales, service, parts, and collision. We are committed to providing you exceptional service that you will not experience anywhere else. Come visit us and experience the difference. We are located at Interstate 5 and 38th Street.